So I received your question in the email. Normal distribution SAT critical reading scores is a mean of 512. And so, I put that in, I use StatCrunch. If you click on stats and then calculators and you choose the normal calculator, this pops up. So again, click on stats and calculator, and then from the list of calculators, choose the normal one. So I put in a mean of 512. Then the standard deviation is 111, so I put that in there. And then what percentage of the SAT scores are less than 650? So I put in 650, and we want less than. Then I hit compute, and this number here appears, which is 0.8931. And you were asking, how do we obtain that answer? And so you can do it by hand, or you can do it with a calculator or StatCrunch. I kind of like it because it's real visual, and it's available, with my lab's statistics. So you just click on stats, calculator, and choose a normal calculator, and just type in the information, and it provides the answer. Of course, you had to change it to percent. Hope this helps.